Hello and welcome to the Lyng and District Line. Thank you for joining me. I do appreciate people who do take the time and opportunity to watch and see what I've been up to. These last week or so since my last video, I've spent a lot of time just checking on my track, cleaning it all up. The atmospherics in the shed aren't that clever, so it does need regular cleaning. But I've also invested in some stock, so I've bought myself a nice little Pannier and a couple of wagons to test the coal mine track, and I'm pleased to say that it works pretty well. So I've had two locals running in different directions, same directions, different lines, changing, switching points, etc. And I'm very pleased with the outcome so far. I've also invested in some new switches. I've bought myself some more Gauge Master surface mounted switches, and another two Lodi 83 ACs. I'm still waiting the transformers for them, and some 3/4 wire to wire up all my switches with. And now I've got my locals running. My next task is to get all my point motors fitted in. So that's what I'll be doing for the next couple of weeks, in between time other bits and pieces. Now coming to spring, so there's a garden to sort out, which I'm looking forward to doing. I said this is always going to be a winter hobby, but I do like coming in for an hour or so, just switching it all up and getting the trains running. There's something therapeutic about just sitting here watching them go round. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy what I've done, and it'll give you a glimpse into what I hope will start to become quite a good layout. Thank you for all your comments. I do need a little bit of help and advice. If anybody can think of a way in which I can stop my wagons uncoupling as they go round. It doesn't happen all the time. They could go round 4 or 5 times, not a problem, but every now and again I'll get a little issue where they'll unhitch. Now they've only got the standard hitches on them. I understand there's something called KD hitches that you can buy to replace. If anyone's got any experience of this and can guide me in the right direction, I would be very, very appreciative. Yeah, uncoupling is a big issue at the minute. I'll get round there, but if you've got any advice, I'd be very pleased to hear it. So enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Diolch yn fawr.